hair braided. Y'all, my hair is done and it is so cute. Brittany did so good, like always. She did exactly what I wanted. It's so neat and clean. Here's the back. I just got like box braids in the back. I am in love. She did a great job like always. So hair braided, check. So vacay starts tomorrow. Of course, I have not packed a thing, so we're about to pack. I need to do my lashes, my nails, my toes, all of it. So we're about to do that. It's gonna be a speed round tonight. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna be productive. I have a lot of my Amazon packages and stuff that have come in. I need to open those, try things on. It's about to be a super busy night, but I'm so excited. So our flight is tomorrow at 11 a.m. I need to be fully packed in every way by the time I go to bed tonight. I'm just hoping that I don't have to stay up all night tonight. I have quite a few Amazon packages that have come in that I have to open and try on and pack as well. So I'll be doing that. Y'all, I'm almost embarrassed to even show y'all everything I have to pull out and pack. Like, why would I buy all of this stuff? Where is it going to go? I genuinely, this isn't even all of it. This isn't even the bathing suits. This isn't even like most of my like nighttime looks. Ugh, y'all pray for me. You know we got the Marnie baby. She's coming, yeah. So before I pack my actual luggage, I wanna pick out my airport fit. Cause baby, airport fits matter. So I'm thinking about wearing this cute little gray screen tee. It's like a little crop situation. These gray cargos, and they're kind of lightweight even though they're cargos. They're super cute, a light gray. And then I really been itching to pull out my dunks. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna do the dunks for the shoe and then just silver accessories. I feel like it's gonna be so cute. So for now, that's the airport fit. We'll see if I change my mind, but I'm thinking that's gonna be my look for tomorrow for the airport look. All right, so I'm gonna come back to my clothes later because I got super overwhelmed. But I'm trying to decide now between my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc and Tom Ford Soleil Niche. I might bring both. Like, I don't know. Is it ridiculous to bring both? I feel like I have looks that would go better with the silver shimmer and something that will go better with the gold shimmer. So I think I might just bring both so I can kind of decide on the vibe when I get there. So I'm gonna put that in the bag as well. Also, can't forget my sunnies. Got my favorite black ones, my favorite brown ones. These will be super cute with all of my looks. So those are going in the bag as well. I also grabbed those Bottega earring dupes and I love them, y'all. TikTok got me, but I got those and I'll be bringing those as well. Super cute. Good morning. So it is officially the morning of our flight. It has been a struggle, but we did it, girl. Nails done, lashes done, hair done, fully packed, okay? Managed to get fully packed. And we are now waiting on our lift. And then we'll be heading to the airport to get some drinks before we board our flight and to enjoy Punta Cana. Oh, I'm super excited. I've officially wrapped up all my to-dos at work. All of my out-of-office settings are fully set. I am ready to go into full-on vacay mode. So I'm excited. And I'll check in with y'all once we get to the airport. Bye.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to the airport. I'm currently in the lounge. I just had a mimosa and I came to the bathroom to do a quick fit check. I got these super cute cargos from H&M. I'm wearing my panda dunks and this basic screen tee. About to use the bathroom, go back out and get another mimosa, and we'll see y'all hop on the plane.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did what I found and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out though. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. Ali Bibo and shadow, Ali Bibo and shadow, Ali Bibo and shadow, 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 Ali Bibo and shadow, shadow, Ali Bibo and shadow, shadow, Ali Bibo and shadow, 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo. Don't cry, yo.
Y'all, we just checked in and we got complimentary mimosas. Oh, I'm so excited. Good morning from Punta Cana. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. We are officially reporting live from Punta Cana. Oh, this morning we are up. We are at 'em. We just had breakfast and we're getting dressed now to go to the beach. Let's do a quick little fit check. Okay, fit check. Okay, so I went with this super cute little black bathing suit that I got from Amazon, a white little linen shirt, my Marnie, and then a cute little straw hat that I got from DSW, even though I'm pretty sure it's a little bit too small for my head. I don't know, but this is the look. Super cute. We're about to head to the beach now. Hopefully it's not too hot, but yeah, taking y'all with me. It's so nice to be on vacation. Our resort is absolutely beautiful. I'll try to do a resort tour at some point as well, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's so peaceful, it's so serene, the water is so blue, the staff is so nice. So yeah, let's enjoy it.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn.
Hey y'all, we are at the beach, just chilling. It's so beautiful out here. I took my hat off because we're under an umbrella. They've been serving us mojitos. This is my second one. But yeah, y'all, we're just gonna chill here for a little bit longer. We might get a little tan and then we'll probably go get lunch. So yeah, bye. Back to sunbathing.
I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee.
All right, so we're leaving the beach now. It's very hot, but it's beautiful. We're gonna get some popsicles and then some tacos. Then we'll go to the room, relax for a little bit, cool off, and then get back out later. Hello.
Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up.
I just got this lemon sorbet. So good.
Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with no.
Hey y'all, it's time for dinner. So I am fully dressed. Look at this dress, isn't it so cute? Can you believe I got this from Target? Cute. Let's hear it for the back of the dress. This is so cute. I cannot get over it. We're doing bitter peach for the scent tonight. Fave. We're going to this restaurant called Waves on the resort. It's like a steakhouse here. But yeah, so we're dressed, about to go to dinner. I'll check with y'all once we get there. Bye. Good morning. That's officially day 3 in Punta Cana. We're about to get up and go to the gym. And then we'll probably have a pool day today. We went to the beach yesterday. It was very pretty, but today we're gonna try to explore the pool. At the beach yesterday, we're gonna try to explore the pool today. But we're hitting the gym first so your girl can look snatched in her bathing suit, okay? We have been having such a good time. I love it here. I really do. I don't wanna leave. I love Atlanta, but I like Punta Cana better. So today is officially me and my husband's 2-year wedding anniversary, and I'm just super grateful and excited to be here with him. And I'm feeling very reflective on like how beautiful these past 2 years have been, and how big God is, and how much he's shown up in my life. And I'm grateful for his constant presence and allowing us to build such a beautiful life together, for allowing me to meet and marry my best friend, and you know, just constantly being ever present in my life. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. This place is beautiful. I think it even makes you even more reflective, seeing the beauty, like the beach and the ocean and the water. It's all just so beautiful. You can't help but be thankful. But yeah, happy anniversary to my husband. Love you, boo. All right, now enough with the sappy stuff. Like I said, we'll be heading to the gym in a second, and then we'll be heading to the pool for a pool day. So I'll check in with y'all when we get to the gym. I am going to try to get a room tour and a resort tour, because this place is so beautiful. Our room is beautiful, the resort is beautiful. So I'm gonna try to get a good tour of that for you guys over the next couple days or so. But yeah, happy anniversary to me and my husband. Bye.
Shawty made that ass, she don't need no applause. High fashion, I go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I got it.
All right, done with the gym, we're getting a drink.
I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of...
Hey y'all. Okay, so gym is done. We got a drink at the bar, and now we're getting lunch at this restaurant called Presto's. We both just ordered, was it lettuce wraps?
Yeah.
Lettuce wraps, like a grilled chicken wrap with fries. And I got a mojito, and babe got a margarita, so we're waiting on that. It's super cute in here though. So aesthetically pleasing. After this, we'll probably rest for a little bit and then change and go to the pool. So yeah.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco.
Pool day. All right, y'all, so we are headed to the pool. We're gonna try to stop by the poolside bar to get a few drinks, and then we're gonna enjoy the pool. Let's do it. You know what's hilarious? Everybody thinks that my husband speaks Spanish, and he absolutely does not. My boy is racially ambiguous, but he's definitely black and does not speak a single word of Spanish. And everywhere we go, people keep trying to talk to him in Spanish, and he's just like, hola. Hilarious. Whew, it's hot out here. I had to pull out the shades. Hopefully it's not too hot for us to enjoy it.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting
So we got a meat lovers pizza and pepperoni pizza.
Shit when Capo put a slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Alright y'all, so we are dressed and ready for dinner. I'm wearing this super cute dress I got from Target, my 9 West Gold heels, and this super cute Cult Gaia dupe I got from Amazon. This is tonight's scent of the night, Tom Ford Soleil Niche. I wanted to do the gold because it matches my actual gold aesthetic, but I really like the smell of this one, so I wanted to do this one for the scent. But it's still very pretty with the silver shimmer. So this is the scent of the night. So yeah, we are headed to dinner, and I'll check in with y'all once we get there. Bye.
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Hey y'all, just got back from dinner and it was delicious. We are exhausted and about to call it a night, but happy anniversary to us, and we'll check in with y'all tomorrow on day 4 in Punta Cana. Good night. Bye.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Good morning. How are
You're
you?
the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, and only you. I'll be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time.
Cana, and it's officially pool day. So I have on this cute little swimsuit I got from Amazon, and I'm just wearing some Zara pants as a cover up with some simple sandals. This morning we went to the gym, we had breakfast. Yeah, and now we're about to head to the pool. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I have on my Tom Ford Soleil Neige today. A little silver sparkle to match my silver detailing in my bathing suit. Thorough details, okay. All right, y'all, we are headed to the pool. It's so hot out here, but it's so pretty. It started raining at the pool, so we are in search of food. Ideally tacos or something like that, but let's see what we can find. Room service. So I got a BLT. My husband got the same thing. And then we got something called, I don't know what it's called, child. Something with cream. We're gonna see. This is so good right now.
Anybody do that, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome back, y'all. It is the last night in Punta Cana. We did it. I feel like we moved here, low-key. But it's the last night in Punta Cana. We're about to go get dinner. I am dressed. I have on this really simple sundress from Target. We're currently debating on what we're going to eat for dinner. It's looking like this restaurant called Noodle and Thread is where we're going to end up. And then we'll just see where the night takes us from there. We might get some drinks. We might get some dessert. We'll see. So, of course, I'm bringing y'all with me. So, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I find why I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I believe for me. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Cheers. Thank you.
New experience.
Cheers, babe.
You don't need no other body. Say not me the nerves of my mind. I'm not me to take you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice.
Y'all, it's my last breakfast in Punta Cana, and look what I got. It's so good.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Last day of the y'all. Looking for some last minute souvenirs in the gift shop. Babe wants a hat, so we're looking for a hat for him now. Oh yeah, I can try it on. Go to the mirror so you can try it on. So he didn't like that one. Let's try this one. Maybe this one. Let's try this one.
I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see.
I think we got it. This is kind of cute. Too bad I already have a beach bag. That's cute.
Twist and turn, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy.
It's our last day in Punta Cana, and I'm so sad. So it's officially our last day in Punta Cana. We check out later this afternoon, but before that, we're about to go downstairs, enjoy our last few hours here on the resort. We're going to get a few drinks, go to the beach or the pool, whichever one we decide, and enjoy ourselves for the last day. My last swimsuit is this super cute one I got from Amazon. Just gonna show y'all the top. I really don't wanna go home, but we're gonna enjoy our last day while we have it. I'm about to put on my little cover up. Hold on 1 second. Let me put on my cover up. I'll be right back. All right, so this is super cute. Let me try to get a better video for y'all. All right, so this is the cover up that I got from Amazon. It's super cute. It's black and white. Matches my black bathing suit. It's super cute. Got it from Amazon. It matches my bathing suit perfectly. It's like these crocheted shorts with the matching shirt. Love it. Whew. So it's hot, but I'm trying to decide if we're gonna go to the pool or the beach. I really don't know. I'm gonna miss this view. So yeah, it's hot. It's hot out here. But I'm trying to decide if we're gonna hit the pool or the beach. I'm gonna do both, honestly, just to see, just to get the vibe. But let's start by going downstairs and get a drink, and then we'll go from there. Let's do it.
I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody.
All right, so we're gonna go to the beach, just to get the last little bit. I feel like going back to Atlanta, we never get to see the beach, so I'm gonna get my last little few minutes of beach time in.
I have burned, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy.
Alright, y'all, so I made it to the beach. I'm under an umbrella. It's just so pretty out here. I really do not want to leave. Under this umbrella is really shaking. Hold on. So much fun. It's been so much needed. Both my husband and I work a lot. We work very hard. So it's very nice for both of us to have time to rest, relax, and kind of
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look Braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the police, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know whack her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun.
In the lounge at the airport, I'm about to use the bathroom, eat some food, and then go to board our plane.
She sucking and swallow, I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we sucking up, swallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, pull up the new BML. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. Hey, you track up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have